Meaning of flummery.
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 Flummery. Flummery refers to a type of sweet, soft dessert which is often made with oatmeal, milk, and sugar. The oatmeal is mixed with the milk and sugar, and then usually left to cool and solidify. The result is a jelly-like substance with a creamy consistency and a sweet flavor. Flummery was popular in the UK during the 18th and 19th centuries, and was traditionally served as a dessert or breakfast dish. Today, it is considered an old-fashioned treat and is not as commonly consumed as it once was.